Welcome to Sri Raghavendra Learning Center. In last session, we discussed about generations of computer and covered up to second generation. In this session, we'll continue further generations. If you missed my previous videos, please watch link provided in description box. A quick recap of previous video: 1. Non-electronic generation, other electronic generation. In this, they are also referred as zero generation to non-electronic generation. In electronic generation are classified into 5 different generations. In this, we have seen first generation and second generation. Let's take a move on third generation. Third generations of computer developed during 1965 to 70. These computers built with integrated circuits. What is integrated circuit? It's a small chip, works as amplifier, oscillator, timer, microprocessor, or even computer memory. Third generations of computer 10 to 100 transistor in single silicon chip has used. What is silicon chip? It's again nothing but IC. Their speed was 10 minus 9 nanosecond. In third generation of computer, they used semiconductor memory. Here, what is semiconductor? Semiconductor is nothing but RAM, ROM used to store the data. In third generation of the computer, a single IC has many transistors in resistor and capacitors built on thin slice of silicon. Here, what is register? It's a computer memory used to quickly accept, store and transfer the data and instruction used by immediately CPU. What is capacitor? Information stored in large computer memory is not lost during a momentary electronic power failure. In third generation of the computer, they had higher reliability and reduced in size. The concept of operating system, multi-programming, parallel processing were introduced. What is operating system here? It's a user interface to interact with programs and hardware. In third generation of the computer, they have used weather forecasting, airline reservation, banking service. Example for third generation computer are IBM system, UNIVAC, CDC, NCR and Cyber. Let's move on fourth generation of computer. Fourth generation computers are built during 1970 to 90. In 1971, first microprocessor were used. The large scale of integration LSI circuits built on one chip called microprocessor. What is microprocessor here? It's an integrated circuit that contains all the functions of CPU and which performs arithmetic and logical operation. The most advantage of this technology is that one processor can contain all the circuits required to perform arithmetic, logic, control functions on one chip. The computer using microchips were called microcomputer. This generation were built with large-scale integration LSI, 100 to 1000 transistor in single chip and very large-scale integration, 1000 to million of transistor per chip. They have a huge storage capacity and their processing speed is from 10-9 to 10-12 seconds. The concept of networking was introduced. Example of fourth generation computers: IBM system 3033, HP 3000 that is mini computer, PDP-11, Cyber 205. All modern PCs are affiliated to fourth generations. Let's move on fifth generation of computer. The development of supercomputer was the key motivation of the fifth generation of computers. Supercomputers were developed with super large scale integration. Millions of transistors were used in single IC chip. These are knowledge processing system. The C concepts AI and distributed processing were incorporated. They are reduced instruction set and computing based machines. CD-ROM compact disk read-only memory. WORM write once, read many times are introduced. Example of fifth generation's CRAY machines from Japan, PARAM machine from India are considered to be fifth generation of computer. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Please support us by like, subscribe and share the videos. And don't forget to hit on bell icon. Thank you.